Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to add noise. So as example you can import image. I will use this image. And if you want to add noise to this image, you can change the image to rasterize. Right click on the image layer and then choose rasterize. After it, you can go to the filter menu, click on effect and then click noise. Okay, you can see we have this noise dialog box and you can change for the noise strength in this bar to set the noise into the image. If you done, you can click OK to apply the noise. Okay, that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to add noise.